think, my Lord, Advocate Sivande must not take it personal. There's nothing personal here. He can't say the guy that is working for NPA cannot assist because they are in the same boat. No, they're not in the same boat. The guy that works for NPA, he's not prosecuting. He's just a technician. He's an operator of gadgets. So if he's available, he can come and assist. But Mrs. Wanda must just avoid to take things personal. There's nothing personal here. So if that NPA gentleman is available, he can come and assist. If he's not available, then we'll have to arrange it with the chief registrar here at the court for somebody to come and assist.
My Lord, I'm sorry, I can't hold myself. As an officer of the court, my Lord, to see this level of pettiness amongst counsel. I'm an attorney. I'm not an advocate. I come from magistrates' courts, regional courts before I entered the fray of the high courts, my Lord. I've never seen pettiness like this. I've never seen something bordering on the unprofessional like this, my Lord. I was taught as a law student, Law 101, back at VETS 1989, that as an attorney, you stay above your emotions. You represent your client, the state represents whoever, with the quorum to the court and professionalism amongst us. But what I see today, my Lord, I'm baffled. I'm amazed. I can't hold myself. I'm sorry. I had to put that on record.
Mr. Ngumalo, any comments?
No, I have no comment. Thank you.
Maybe in addition, my Lord, I think it will be prudent again to be noted that, I'm sorry, there are minutes that are rolling here, and I think I said the other time that each and every minute is important in the trial, my Lord, owing to the fact that it's almost 2 years down the line. We've made some inroads. It is good, but however, we through emotionalizing things, there's a propensity that more time could be wasted. Man. I think the time that is being used here to try and assist, because of the submission by the state that they will no longer be using the assisting the defense. It's a little bit odd, my Lord. Thank you.
As court, please, my Lord, just to remind the court what Mr. Mnisi said on Friday. He said it that he does not want the state to assist. They will bring their own operator. So what is being petty about that? He has not retracted that. He said he doesn't want the state to operate. I must be removed. That's what he said. So now I'm excusing myself from that. Now I'm being called petty and being emotional. That's good, please.
I'm afraid to say anything, because if I say anything, I'll be said to be either a racist or whatever, or paluka, or muhu, Ari, what. This is South Africa. And when I say that, I must go, he must go. So that's why I'm keeping quiet. Yeah, yeah, fine.
Whilst we're still waiting, I just want to place on record what we found online, a Merriam-Webster dictionary, which defines what is a hired gun. It says an expert hired to do a specific and often ethically dubious job. Let's go, please.
Dubious.
Let's go.
Yeah, well, I don't know what is the relevance of this, my lord, but well, my colleague is referring to something else. I've said it's there in the law report. So I don't know whether what is really in here is authority or what, but he said, I don't know, it comes from.
The case of S versus M, the judge was my brother, Davis.
Yes.
Who runs the
show.
show, yeah.
Yes.
It was a divorce case between rich people, and they were fighting over the custody of a child. How many weekends, how many holidays the child should spend with the mother and the father, and the mother would travel overseas, etc., etc. So they called some experts to come and adjudicate the matter after interviewing the children. So Dennis Davis uses that word, hired gun, in that case. I think it's 1985. Have you found the citation,
As please the court.
Doctor?
I'm no longer operating the gadget.
No, I'm talking about the case now.
Yes, but I can only find it when I'm using this.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. You know that citation, Mr. Ngamal?
I can check for it. I can check for it.
No, I say, do you know it?
No, I heard about it, but I
You
haven't.
heard about it?
Yes, I heard about it, my lord. Thank you.
There's a medical negligence case, my lord. It was a claim. I think it was decided by the full bench of the SCA. I think it's 2024 or 2023. The claim against the state was dismissed. The minority judgment was penned by the Honorable DJP of this court, Justice Litwaba. I can't remember the majority. It was, I can't remember the surname again, but that term hired gun has been used also in that, and that's an SCA judgment, a full bench for that matter. That term hired gun has also been used in that matter, my lord. Thank you.
But I think that terminology comes from America and Canada. I think the first judge, if I recall, who used this is Justice Sopinka. who was in the Quebec Appeal Court
Yes, my lord.
in Canada.
Yes. I need to be honest, my lord. I do not know the origin of the usage of the term hired gun.
But you know Sopinka.
Mr. Ramusipili says he.
Have you heard of Judge Sopinka?
I read a lot of Canadian law on Canley, my lord.
Hello?
I read of a lot of Canadian law on Canley.